In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Firefly Generative AI for images, edits, and more. Adobe Firefly lets you turn plain text into photos, artwork, videos, and even vectors using commercially safe models trained on Adobe stock. To get started, head to fireflyadobe.com and sign in with your free Adobe account. That gives you monthly credits so you can experiment without worry. We'll begin with text to image. Type a clear, detailed prompt like a photorealistic dragon flying over a medieval castle at dusk. Specific details help the model understand your intent. On the right panel, set the aspect ratio so your image fits where you plan to use it, and choose the content type, whether you want a realistic photo look or stylized art. Use the sliders to shape the mood with lighting and other effects. When you're ready, click Generate. Firefly produces 4 variations at once, giving you options to compare. If something's close but not perfect, try regenerating for fresh takes. You can also upscale your favorite to increase detail, or guide the look with style or structure references by uploading an image or picking from the gallery. Small prompt tweaks often make a big difference, so iterate until it feels right. Next is generative fill and edits. Upload an image, then use the brush to select exactly where you want changes. This works for removals, like cleaning up a distraction, or additions, such as asking for a tropical beach background. Add an optional prompt to steer the fill, then generate. Review the thumbnail results, and if you see a promising direction, select it and keep refining. Adjust the selection edges or rephrase your prompt to blend the new content seamlessly with the original. There are additional modes to explore. You can create short videos from text or images with simple camera controls like pan and zoom to add motion. You can also generate vectors or audio effects from their dedicated tabs, which is handy when you need scalable graphics or sound design elements. When you're done, export directly to Photoshop or Illustrator for further polishing, or download your assets. Exports include a SynthID watermark for transparent provenance, so viewers know the content was AI generated. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Firefly tips and tutorials.